Hey guys, I thought I'd do a quick video of the unboxing of the Lowrance Hook Reveal 7 triple shot. Dax and I are getting ready to go on a little trip, just a quick day trip. We'll be back tomorrow morning, but we're going to give it a good test and see how it works. And we'll just show you what's in the box and then what it looks like on the boat and how it works on the boat. So this is the Hook Reveal 7 triple shot, 7 inches, chirp, down scan, Genesis Live, fish reveal, and side scanning. I got this on Amazon and it was on sale, so that's one of the reasons I got it. The other thing I bought to go with it, so I didn't use my boat battery, was this. 120 amp hours, 12 volt. Basically, it's a little battery pack. Has everything on the front here. And you can hook up battery terminals. This is a little USB port on there. This is how you charge it. And this is a cigarette lighter. It's 100%, so we're good there. I guess I really don't know much about it. There's not much that came with that piece. That was all that came with it. New energy battery charger. So I guess that charges that, and this is just a way to hook up a charger to it. Maybe, I'm not sure. Anyway, back to this. Here's the actual unit, the display. Bagged up nice. There it is out of the box. Has that new fish finder smell. Here is. So here's the transducer. I guess because it's so long, because it does the 3 different, the side, the down, and the chirp, I guess. So I was reading that that's why it's so long. Nice screw kits, different other packaging kits. Here's the holder, and no clue. A bunch of the different little kits come with it. Little bags, probably some screws and things. Screws and things, I guess. Here's our cable for power. We have some stickers, and so we're gonna use this today and this evening and try and see what we can find. We're gonna go down and spend the day at Cape Henlopen Park and go camping down there. So we will have it set up by then. Probably we'll just mount it to a piece of wood and then C-clamp it to the boat, because I don't have time to screw it all in and make sure it's not leaking or anything. But that's it for now. I'll show it to you guys later.